Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix the issue with the no media sound on your Huawei FreeBuds 5i. So I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one, you have to be connected with your phone and your earbuds. Then you have to open the Bluetooth settings, tap on this settings icon, and just be sure that your switcher from the media audio is turned on, like in my case. If this doesn't work for you, you have to perform the hard reset. So you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, open this cover and find this button. You have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking red. Currently it is blinking white, and after a few seconds it will turn red. There we go, right now it is blinking, so we can release that button, keep the case open, and now we are in the pairing mode. So we can forget your previously connection, go to the pair new device, select your FreeBuds 5i, accept the pairing, and tell me if it works for you. Bye bye!